Hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. We made it to the top 20 of the NYX FACE AWARDS! Yes, 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 yes. We did it! We made it to the top 20 of the Dutch NYX FACE AWARDS. I am so excited. I'm so happy that we're in this competition again, because some of you might know that I actually also participated in the NYX FACE Awards last year and I made it to the top 10, which I was really happy about, but I kinda want to win, to be honest. I kinda want to win. So I decided to join the FACE Awards this year again, and I'm in the top 20. So I'm so happy. I'm so happy, and I really want to thank all of you guys who've been watching my video and who've been sending me such lovely messages, because I've gotten so many sweet messages. Like, you are all so sweet to me and so kind, and I just can't believe that you guys support me this much. It really means a lot to me, and I'm so happy to have you here. And yeah, in today's video I'm going to unbox the big ass box that they sent me full with makeup. Yay! Look how big it is. It's actually also like really heavy. I mean, I'm also pretty weak, but still, this is a very heavy package. I don't know how heavy it is, but it is pretty heavy. So I haven't opened it yet. I have no idea what's inside. I mean, I know there's makeup inside, obviously, but other than that, I don't know. So I thought it would be fun to just open it in front of the camera so we can all like experience this together, you know? So I really hope you guys want to see this, because that's kind of what today's video is about. So would kind of suck if you do not want to see this, but okay, yeah. I can't wait any longer. I'm just gonna open it right now. I'm so excited. I'm so excited! Woo! This is so much makeup. I think I'm legit gonna cry. Like, this is so much makeup. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, wait. First I'm just going to take this. I made it to the top 20 of the FACE Awards. Yee! Oh my god, this is so much makeup. I just want to live in this box and stay there forever. Oh, wait, I'm just gonna show you guys real quick, because it's so heavy. It's so heavy. Just look at this. Oh my god. Can you guys see that? Oh. Okay, I kind of need to like hurry, because otherwise this video is gonna get extremely long. So I'm just going to grab something from this majestic box, and I'm going to show it to you guys. So first up, I've got some Redken products for my hair, which is amazing because I love hair products. So thank you, Redken. I also got some lovely products from L'Oreal LV, and these are both for damaged hair, so I need that. I really do. Got some micellar water by NYX. Amazing. And then the cleansing balm. I really love this. I've actually already used an entire pot of this because it is amazing. It's amazing. What you're about to see is insane, because these are all lashes. Look how many lashes. Focus, please, focus. These are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs of lashes. Oh my god. 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 Gorgeous. I love this. I love this so much. Amazing. Next one. NYX Eyelid Makeup Remover. And the NYX Strip of Cleansing Oil. Another LV hair product. This is a conditioner. Ooh. Then I got 4 of the full white eye pencils, and I really love this. I'm actually wearing one right now with this eye look. You see it? Oh, love these, thank you so much. Then another Redken product, and this is a hair mask, which I'm happy to have. Got some really cute sponges. Aww. I always loved small sponges. I don't know why, it just looks cute for some reason. And I got more stuff. There's so many makeup products in this box, and I'm going through all of them like pretty quickly. But I'm only doing that because otherwise I will sit here for like 5 days explaining everything I got. So I kind of need to move quickly, but honestly, like everything I'm seeing, I'm like obsessed with. I love everything so much. So here I got a bunch of eye products, 6 jumbo pencils. So happy to have these. I love these so much. And they also sent me the milk one. Oh, I actually ran out of my milk, so happy I got this because I love it. Then this is precision brow pencil and another precision brow pencil in the color taupe and the color black. And a shimmer eye pencil in black and a glitzy gold eye pencil. I'm going to swatch this because this looks pretty damn good. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. An eyeshadow palette. The ultimate multi-finish shadow palette in the color smoke screen. This is gorgeous. I've got a few of the ultimate palettes and they are pretty damn good. So I'm happy that I got this because it's a good quality. I got so many products. I'm so blessed. Like my life is amazing, honestly. But yeah, okay, continuing the products. I got so many Total Control drop foundations. I got 5 foundations. And I'm pretty sure I've got the lightest one, which is actually my shade. So I'm happy that I got this. And I also got the primer, which is really good. So excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Got some Be Gone makeup wipes. Got a powder puff. The SFX setting powder and the HD Studio setting powder. And I use this one every day and I absolutely love it. And I haven't tried this one before, so I'm excited to try this one out as well. I've got a bunch of palettes that I'm holding in my hand right now. And this is the Contour Intuitive palette in the color Plum Metals. It looks gorgeous. The Born to Glow highlighting palette. I'm obsessed. And the contour palette. And it's also really nice. So I'm happy that I got it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got 3 foundation mixes. And I'm so happy that I got these because I can never find a foundation in my shade because I am way too pale for this world. So now I've got a white foundation mixer. And I also have the darker mixer and the pinky mixer. Ooh, I got a pigment primer. I didn't even know they had pigment primers. Why did I not know that? That's pretty bad, but yay, pigment primer! 2 more brow products, and these are the brow gels in the color black and in the color brunette. So cute, I love it. Lip products. Ooh, I got some lip products. I got the soft matte lip creams and the intense butter glosses. Gorgeous! Gorgeous! We're like slowly heading towards the bottom of the box, but we're still not done. Like, these are like a lot of products. So, what I got over here are the NYX Liquid Suede lipsticks. I got 3 shades of them. I got Jet Set, Suede, and Pink Lust. And I'm actually wearing this one right now, but I have like the smaller size, like the travel size. Also, this formula is amazing. It's my favorite formula of all NYX lip products, and I actually did a swatch video on all the 24 shades of the liquid suede. So please check that video out as well, because it took me like 5 hours to swatch all the colors, and my lips were sore and dry for like 2 months after filming it. So if you could watch that, I would really appreciate it. I got 4 lip products, I'm pretty sure. Lip potlood pencils. Why did I not know how to say that in English? Anyways, I got 4 lip pencils. Got a pink one, another pink one, a mauve one, and a red one. Ooh. Super excited about these. And I don't know what this is, but it's a tiny pink little thing. And it's called My Jewelry. Ooh, are we gonna get jewelry? Let's open it. Oh, it's a bracelet, right? I don't know. Is this gonna fit around my arm? Gorgeous! Got a bracelet! It doesn't match with all my silver accessories right now, so I'm just gonna take it off because I need it to be aesthetically pleasing. But I want to thank My Jewelry for sending me this beautiful bracelet. So, thank you! And I got a few products in tubes. This one. I got the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator, and this one is... Why am I dropping everything? Anyways, this one is gorgeous. I love this one. Yeah, Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in different shades. And I've got a liquid foundation. Stay matte, but not flat. I got 2 amazing setting sprays. I actually haven't been using setting sprays in a while now, so maybe I should just start using them, because I actually always really like them, but for some reason I just stopped using it. I don't know why. Okay, let's continue. I got a mascara. This is the Doll Eye mascara, and I got the Epic Ink liner. So happy. So, on to the next items. Ooh my god! These are the Vivid Bright eyeliners. I really love these. I got the yellow one, the red one, and the petal one. Pinky. Gorgeous. And I also got a white liner. Here I got 2 of the SFX cream colors, the yellow one and the red one. And I got, ooh, this is gorgeous, the Vivid Bright cream colors for your eyes. And I got this color. This is such a pretty color. This is like a baby blue or something. Oh, I love it. And I got this one, and this is the color Bad Blood. Then on to the next product. Sorry. I got 3 blushes. I got the color Baby Doll, which is a pretty pink. I got the color Tuscan, which is a I don't know what color this is, like a dark pink. And I got the color Taupe, and I used to use Taupe to contour my face. Like, I think I've used Taupe for like 6 years on a row or something. So now I can start using it again. Got a few more lip products. I got the matte lipsticks in a very bright pink one and a red one. And I got a lip balm. And my lips are always dry, so I can definitely use this. Pum, ba-dum, pum, 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 pum. Ooh, I got the Gotcha Covered concealers in tan and natural. Never tried these before, so I'm excited to try them. And I got the NYX HD concealer. Here I got a bunch of glitters. I got a gold one. Oh, this is violet, I'm pretty sure. Violet is like a purple holographic glitter, and it's gorgeous. It's amazing. Got a holographic one. Ooh. And got a greenish pigment and a purple bluish pigment, and this looks amazing. Oh, oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. So I'm on to the last few makeup products. Ooh, I got an eyeshadow base, a white one. Got an eye pencil. Oh, this is the same as the gold one, but this is the blue one. And a mint, blue-green mint mascara. and a purple mascara. Yay! So this is all the makeup, but I'm not done yet. I've got 2 more items in the box. And the first item is a mirror. This feels so luxurious. Ah, NYX Cosmetic mirror. Oh. Ooh. I look a lot better in the viewfinder than I do in this mirror. Okay, now on to the last item, and I already know what it is because I see the packaging, but I don't know exactly what it is, but I do know that I am freaking out because this is just amazing. Like, I'm just gonna open it. I want to save it for last, just to give myself a little bit of a surprise at the end. But now it's the last product, so I'm just going to take it and see what's inside. Because I'm so oh my god! I don't know if you can see this, but there are a bunch of brushes in here. This is like a brush belt, and there are brushes in here. I'm gonna open it. I'm so excited! Oh my god, I'm screaming and my neighbor hates me, but that's okay because I'm excited! Oh my god! Look how many brushes! Oh, I'm so excited! I love brushes so much. Oh my god. And I also have like this amazing brush belt. I know this is not how you're supposed to wear a brush belt, but I'm gonna wear it like this because then I can just hold it close to my body and enjoy the time we have together. So yeah guys, these were all the products that I received from NYX. I'm so happy and I'm so grateful that I got all of these things. Like, there are so many things. It's so kind of NYX to like send these to us. Like, thank you so much, NYX Cosmetics NL. I love you guys so much. I'm so happy with all the items that I got. And also a big thank you to Redken and to Elvive, L'Oreal Elvive, and to my jewelry for the nice items that you sent me. I'm so happy with them. I'm just so incredibly happy that we're in the NYX FACE Awards again. Like, honestly, it's the best. I love the NYX FACE Awards so much. Like, last year I had such an amazing time. It was a very stressful time, but it was an amazing time. So yeah, I really can't wait to get started on the first challenge. And by the way, I just found out what the first challenge is, and it is Dragalicious. So we gotta come up with a drag queen look, which I'm kind of scared of because I've only done like one drag queen look in my entire life, and that didn't look good. That didn't look good at all. So I don't know how it's going to turn out. But I am kind of excited to, you know, come up with a look and to film it and everything. So I'm really excited, but I'm also really scared. Like, I am shitting my pants, but I'm also having a good time. You know, yeah. So yeah guys, I really want to thank you guys for watching. Again, I want to thank you guys for your support on my NYX video, but also on like my videos in general. Like, the general support I receive from you guys, it's amazing. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.